So if you have a 2020 Jeep Compass and you can't, it won't start, maybe you have no crank, but the lights do come on inside the car, then you have to know that this car has two batteries. You have the big one and you have a small one right in here. This is a small little battery. This one here. So this is a big one, this is a small one. We tried jump starting the car with this one, it did not work. We realized that this was the bad battery and you might want to jump start that, or maybe go charge your battery or just buy a new one. The signal we were getting in the car was ESC Service warning, so that solved it. It cranks right up now with a brand new battery. Hope this helps somebody.